of the waterfall. We don't know which way to go. Lost and wallowing too much in